Hello everyone! So yeah, I'm back with another project. It's funny how I disappear for a few months and then just come back out of the blue with something totally new. It could be a travel vlog, it could be something dance related, who knows. If you follow my new Instagram handle at @withnavya, you will know that not only do I dance, my dance life has taken a turn for the different in the last few years. I basically found out that I have hypermobility syndrome, and if you already know this, please skip ahead to whatever time frame. I'm gonna put it right here. So yeah, hypermobility syndrome basically just means your tendons, ligaments, joints are all really loose, and it exists on a spectrum. So a lot of dancers are hypermobile, but they don't really experience any negatives of it. No pain, no recurring injuries, just really beautiful lines, dancing, flexibility, all's good. And then you have people further down the line, maybe in the middle, we experience a lot more pain, fatigue, recurring injuries where I stand. And then at the very end, we have people who encounter Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, and this is where you have digestive issues, skin issues, fatigue issues, you name it, they've got it. And so many of us dancers exist with this syndrome. It is incredibly painful, and we're always told we have to leave the industry or just give up or we'll never make it, blah 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 blah. And I think that's bullshit. I think that those of us who don't fit into the frame of a perfect dancer actually have so much more substance to offer. Like, our stories can contribute so much to choreographies, musicals, plays, movies. Like, we have stories, and it's so ironic that we're pushed out. So yeah, I am here to advocate for disability representation in the performing arts. I think we're making great strides in terms of gender representation, race, culture, skin color, etc. And I'm here to push for the disabled people as well. So I've been wanting to actually apply to studios and teach disabled friendly choreography, like not involving legs, not involving arms, stuff like that. But I figured if they're disabled, it might be a bit difficult for them to travel, so I don't really know how that's gonna work out. And then I realized I can just teach it on YouTube. So yeah, let's get started. This is such a good angle. So the song we're using today is Icy Girl by Saweetie. I don't know if that's how you pronounce her name, I'm just butchering it. So my background is in contemporary and ballet, and this dance, I would say, I can't exactly name which specific genre it is in, but it goes towards, I guess, the hip hop and street jazz area. So the way I'm gonna be explaining things is by using technique terms I know from contemporary. Please feel free to correct me in the comments. Please be nice. Like, we're all here to learn. I'm just gonna do my best because we're kind of here to have fun as well, aren't we? All right, so before we get started, I'm just gonna say make sure that you are properly warmed up and stretched out. We don't want to get injured. So the first move we're gonna have is similar to 4 chest pops, but they're gonna be a bit slower. So turn to the side. What you're gonna wanna do is learn how to activate your chest. As you go out, focus on stretching your pectoral muscles a bit, and don't just think about bringing your shoulder blades together, because those who use their backs exclusively for chest pops look like this. That's not, I'm pretty sure that's not the way. Use your breathing as well. That's a huge principle I always use in all of my choreographies. Use your breathing to guide you. So as you breathe in, you're gonna go, and then you're gonna breathe out and just relax. All right? And you'll notice I kind of have this extra it's almost as if somebody punches me right here. I go, okay? That's kind of that extra oomph you want to have. Otherwise, you're going to look really stagnant. You're just going to look like... So, number 1, focus on stretching your pecs a little bit. Number 2, bring your breathing in. And number 3, add some fucking swag, dude. Like, don't just... So this is what that should look like. Can't stop, won't stop, get guap, 10 white toes in them toy flip-flops. So yeah, that's the basic gist of what we're gonna be doing. Now let's move on. So after you do your 4 chest pumps, take your, well in this case, my right hand, you can do a mirror image or whatever you please. You're gonna make a circle, and then once you finish the circle, you're gonna end up over here and clap this hand. So you're gonna go bop, bop, and you're gonna go punch, punch, down, all right? So again, we're gonna go circle, and to the other side and clap, punch, punch, down, and from here you're gonna go just really like, you know, like you're frustrated with 2020, you're gonna go, oh, kind of that like breathe down, and then you're gonna go that, that. So it's gonna go from up facing here, and then breathe and face to the front. All right, so now I'm gonna show you what that looks like with music.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop.
So yeah, that's the basic gist of what we're gonna be doing. Now let's move on. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, complete, clap, punch, punch, down, drag up, drag out. And then you're gonna go body wave. And as you saw, we're gonna use our shoulders. So imagine you're kind of like churning butter, you know? You're the stick, and you're gonna go just be like, I'm gonna churn the butter and then churn the butter. And don't worry about looking stupid, feeling stupid. When you do something new with your body, it's gonna feel freaking weird and you're gonna think you look like the stupidest person in the world. But that's how everyone gets started. So again, you can use your breathing to guide you. You can do like, now imagine you see a hella cute boy, girl, whatever you like or don't like, chocolate, you know, over there, and you have a lasso, and you're gonna take your lasso and you're gonna go 1, 2, and you're just gonna face the other corner. So it goes that, down, and then the lyrics are gonna say hands. So we're gonna go, show your hands, and then you're gonna make a diamond. So you're gonna go boop, boop, and you're kind of gonna do a similar thing again with the chest pop. So we're kind of revising what we've already learned and improving it. You're just gonna go, all right? So again, from the lasso, all right? So let's go lasso, lasso, down. We're gonna show the hands, diamond, diamond, pop, pop, okay? And then you're gonna go punch, 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 punch. So at this point, you might feel like, whoa, this is a lot of steps. I don't know if I can do this. You should utilize a method called chunking. That basically means you separate the dance into different chunks, and you remember chunk 1, chunk 2, chunk 3. So chunk 1 can be all the way from the first chest pop to the lasso, and then the second chunk can be from the lasso onwards. So after you go punch, punch, down, down, you just go and vibe. That's the whole point of dancing, vibe and have fun. So this is what that should look like.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shitey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci chick, I might be. It's very unlikely, my percent looking icy.
All right, so you kind of get the rhythm, right? If you didn't, just rewind the video and keep on practicing that part. Don't move on if you don't know what's going on currently, all right? That's the worst thing you can do because the confusion just builds up, and after that you feel like shit about yourself. So if you actually want to learn to dance, go back, revise the part properly, and then move on. For those of you who are caught up and have caught in the musicality of the piece, let's move on. So after you go bop, 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 boom, 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 you're gonna vibe, 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 vibe. And then you're go bop, 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 because she's talking about time. So we're gonna like do the hands of the clock. Bop, bop. And then you're gonna go again. Right, left, money, money. Because she says, my time is very pricey. All right, so let's do that again. You are gonna go bop, bop, out, in, bop, bop, money, money, and you're done. All right, so I'm gonna show you the entire thing from just chunk 2 first.
Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shitey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci chick, I might be. It's very unlikely, my percent looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I'll be with a boss.
All right, so what I recommend for this part, because it is fast and you need to, I guess, understand the beat a little bit more, just rewind and keep on playing. And once you've mastered the chunk 2, let's do the whole thing.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shitey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci chick, I might be. It's very unlikely, my percent looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I'll be with a boss's beat, jumping from a
Alright, so that is all I have for you guys today. Honestly, it's really difficult to teach on camera without seeing you guys on the other side of it. When you are teaching in a studio, it's easier because you can see how fast everyone is learning and you can adjust your pace. Whereas in this, I'm just like, it's easy for me to assume you've already gotten it and then I can kind of move on. So that's why I try to give tips on chunking and tell you to, you know, rewind from here and watch it from there and how you can kind of keep up. And slowly, hopefully, as I make more of these, maybe, if you like them, maybe I can learn how to teach online. And yeah, I just need a lot of feedback. Tell me how I can improve. Should I make the choreo harder? Should I make it easier? How should I make it easier? The type of moves, the explanations, should the songs be slower, etc. And yeah, this was a fun trial run and maybe see you next time, I guess. Bye bye!